Do you want to record videos but you only have your phone or a cheap headset? Your audio probably sounds echoey or has background noise like a fan or traffic. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a Shure SM7B, try this free AI tool first. It is called Adobe Podcast Enhance. You don't even need an Adobe subscription. Just go to podcast.adobe.com/enhance. Take your bad audio recording, let's say a voice memo from your iPhone, and drag and drop the file here. The AI analyzes the frequencies and removes all the background hiss, echo, and clicking sounds. It then resynthesizes your voice to make it sound rich and deep, like you are in a sound-treated studio. Let's listen to the before and after. The difference is crazy. It's the easiest way to upgrade your production value for free.
If you want to start a YouTube channel without using your own voice, you cannot If you want to start a YouTube channel without using your own voice, you cannot use those cheap, robotic voices anymore. The audience hates them. You need to use 11labs.io. It is currently the industry standard for realistic AI speech. Here is how to